this season. It's not been a happy start to life in that back line, and once again looks exposed as Villa look to cross in and almost palming themselves away. Kakande looking to fashion out a space, and ultimately it falls to the predator with instinct. Umar Lutalo puts Sports Club Villa in the lead and makes amends for that missed penalty. He's been AC Villa's chief supply of goals. That goal taking his tally to 4 goals this season. Spread out to the wing. This is Gavin Chizito Mugweri. Plays it forward, intercepted, and an opportunity. Careless defending, snapshot from distance. It looked like it was a volley, but in the end, he turns it to glory. Ronald Sechiganda with an absolute gem of a shot there. Gets Villa right back into the driving seat and doubles the tally here. His second goal of the season, and what a revelation he's turning out to be in that midfield. SC Villa 2, Busoga United 0.
Well, that was a very good take from Sechiganda, and you can see that he's looked the calm figure in that midfield, and each time that he has had the ball, just look at what he does.